For maximum intersection of n lines, let's start with a single line. It has 0 intersection point. If we take two lines, they have one intersection point. Let's take three lines. If we pass it through the common meeting point, that means they're too busy to meet each other individually, and what we need is maximum intersection. If we take third line parallel to one of the line, that means these two don't talk to each other and will never meet. To get maximum intersection, make sure every line meet the other at different points. Now we get three intersection points. Now if you take four lines, look at it very carefully, you will understand all the concepts. This fourth line intersects the previous three lines at 3 points. 1, 2, 3. That means kth new line will intersect k minus 1 previous lines at k minus 1 points. In this case, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 intersection points. So maximum intersection points for n lines will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. It will go on till nth line cuts n minus 1 lines at n minus 1 points. We know sum of consecutive n numbers from 1 to n is equal to n plus 1 by 2. But here we need to get sum till n minus 1 numbers. That means n minus 1 n by 2. This is also represented as nc2. Why? Because from n lines, if you take any two lines, they will have one intersection point. Use this to calculate for 12 lines, that is 66.